Hello everyone. So today we're working on some discrete math, and we're given these three statements, and we're asked to find the truth value of the statements and their universe of discourse given. So what we mean is whether these statements are true or false based on the conditions, the quantifiers that are given here. Okay. So let's look at the first one. For all x, so A, for all x in R, for every real number, there exists a real number such that x plus y equals 0. And I would say this statement is true because what we're saying is for every real number, does there exist a real number such that when you add these two numbers together, you get 0. And I would say yes, that number would be minus x. So let y equal minus x. Right, when you have a statement that says for all there exists, in order for the statement to be true, you have to show that this actual number, this value exists. In this case, it's y equals minus x. All right, now for B, notice the quantifiers are switched, and the universe of discourse is the same. It's the real numbers. And here we're saying there exists a real number for all real numbers in the reals, both in the reals, such that x plus y equals 0. And I would say this is false, because this statement is saying, does there exist one number for which that one number that we can add to every real number that'll give me 0? And that's absolutely false. Yeah, if you take, y equals 2, then minus 2 plus 2 would equal 0, and then if I took y to be negative 3, I would have 3 plus negative 3 equals 0. So I would have two different values that add up to 0, so that's not true. Okay, so that's false. All right, and for our final statement, C looks like A, except that we have a different universe of discourse, which is the natural numbers. Okay, and here we're saying for all natural numbers, there exists a natural number such that x plus y equals 0. And this would be false. And what I like about this last statement is that you, just by changing the universe of discourse, it can make a statement true or false. Okay, so that's something to consider, that you have to consider the statement and the universe of discourse. And in this case it's false, because if you just take 1, for example, 1 is a natural number. Well, what number can I add to 1 to get 0? Nothing. There exists no value for that to happen. Okay, so if x equals 1, no y exists. Okay, so there we go. So looked at these three statements, and things to get out of this are that right, the order of the quantifiers matters, and the universe of discourse matters as well, in order for you to say whether a statement is true or false. All right, thank you for your time.